Hello folks, Kaz here from BlockheadUK. This is the next instalment in my city farm block, the yard. There are some outbuildings, a barn, silos and a wind turbine for generating power to heat the greenhouses, which are in fact part of another module I've already built. It's the third quarter in what will be part of a more rural area of the city. Eventually it will be a whole block. I may expand it even further at a later date. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you can see new content when it is released.